In this video, I'm going to show you how to use keyframes in CapCut PC. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open CapCut on your desktop and open the project where you want to add keyframes. After that, on the project, go ahead and click on your video, and as you can see, beside the scale section is the keyframe button. Click on the add keyframe and drag your scale to the left or right depending on your preference. After that, you can add another keyframe in this section to be able to have the zoom in effect for your video. Now add another keyframe at the end of your video to have this fade out effect for your video. Keyframes are actually a helpful tool for creating a transition effect on your videos. You can add as much keyframes as you prefer as needed for your video. Once you have finalized the placing of keyframes on your video along with the other things that you have for your video, you can simply export your video on your device and post it where you want to post it to. And that is how you can simply add and use keyframes on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.